The Auto Finesse Caramics Paint Protection Kit. After application, you will notice increased levels of gloss, increased durability against road grime, therefore making future maintenance washes far easier. Before applying, ensure your vehicle is clean, dry and free from contaminants. Do not apply in direct sunlight or to a hot vehicle. Before you begin, it is important you have every recommended component to hand and have read the instruction manual fully. This ensures the application process is seamless and easy. To begin, wipe down all paintwork with the Caramics Prep Spray by spraying onto a microfiber towel and wiping over the surface of the vehicle in straight lines. This ensures a maximum bond between coating and your paintwork. Once the paintwork has been prepped, open the first of the Caramics resin wipes. Apply one panel at a time and start in the middle and work in an outwards motion. Using crosshatch lines, this ensures that each panel has complete and full coverage. Once cured, take a clean microfiber towel to initially remove the bulk of the residue. Then, using a second clean microfiber towel and LED light source, you can ensure complete removal of all residue. After the first panel is complete, repeat each step for the remaining panels of the vehicle. Once all panels are complete, the vehicle must not be exposed to the elements for 6 hours. This ensures the coating cures completely. And there you have it, protection for 12 months. To maintain your Caramics paint protection, simply wash your vehicle with Auto Finesse's Citrus Power Pre-Wash and Lather pH Balance Shampoo. For more information on the Caramics range, visit www.autofinesse.co.uk/Caramics.